How to change your phone number on TD Bank online. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser and then move into the official site of TD Bank. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged in My Account section, head over to My Profiles and Settings. Head over to Password and Security. You will be able to see all of your personal detail information. You can also see your phone number. If you want to edit and change it, simply click on this pen icon right beside the security code phone number. Now click on this edit icon, or you can tap on Add New Number and then enter the new number that you would like to replace. Once done, click on Verify Number. You will receive one verification code on your number. Simply enter that code in this section and then click on Enter. Now tap on Done. And there you go. Your phone number has been successfully verified and changed. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.